Kay says, as a 1-3 manifesting generator, what does responding strategy mean? So responding is concerned with your sacral, and your sacral is your sexual center, and your sacral is gonna produce a sound like or so it's gonna be some involuntary bodily reaction that feels like you've just generated a little bit of energy, and that for you is a yes. So that's how you make decisions. If your body doesn't respond with something to, and it's gonna be involuntary, it's gonna surprise you, it's gonna be oh look at this, my body says yes, or it's just gonna be no, my body's not doing nothing, so I'm not gonna do nothing. That's general generator strategy, is to respond. And you can try it out on simple things. The key is yes and no questions. Asking yourself yes or no, and then putting a plate of food in front of you. Is your body saying yes or no? And the key is to get really acquainted to listening to the sacral by knowing how does your sacral react to yes, how does it respond to things in a yes way, and what is a no. No is just probably nothing or frustration. And you'll also know that if you respond from your sacral in alignment, if you choose the things that your sacral tells you, that your responding strategy tells you, then you will be satisfied, you will be passionate, you will have more energy, you will be like a fireplace radiating beautiful energy outwards. But if you choose wrong, if you don't listen to your sacral, you become frustrated. And the energy of frustration is basically expression and creative force that has a blockage. It's like trying to rev up the engine and trying to brake. So you're standing on the brake and on the gas pedal in your car at the same time. You want to express the energy, but you're holding yourself back. Your body's like, I want to do this, but you're like, no, we're not doing this today. No, stop, no. The trick is to know how the sacral is gonna get really. And your sacral is your womb, it's your sexual center, it's your creative, passionate center, it's your vital force. And to some things, that vital force, I'm just explaining generators. So, responding to the sacral is a generator thing, like I've just mentioned. Your body's gonna have a certain response to things if it's a yes, and a certain response to things if it's a no. You just gotta know, really get in tuned, and that's a process. If you just found out you're a generator today, don't beat yourself up. If you don't know what your sacral is telling you, that's what I'm here for, and that's what human design is here for. To teach you your intuition.